Hi, I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Today we're shooting from a condo renovation where we did some major changes in the kitchen, and one of the challenges this condo faced was poor lighting, and the rooms felt really dark and it made it tough for task lighting and in general use of space. So there used to be a wall here that separated the kitchen from the dining room, and the dining room has a very large window to allow natural light in, but that wall unfortunately blocked all the light from the kitchen. So we've removed the wall, and that obviously now makes a more open concept and allows for natural light to flood the space. We've also replaced all of the lighting in here with LED panel lights. So it's an LED version of a pot light, and they put off a lot of light. It really lights up the space. They're fully dimmable, so it helps to really light the space and can create task lighting too, depending on your placement. We've also added some under cabinet lighting here to really help with lighting the workspace on the countertops, as well as with some light colors on the backsplash tile to help reflect light once again. We have these granite countertops that, again, they have a nice reflective finish, but a mixed texture which gives it a bit of depth at the same time. I guess when considering your kitchen renovation, you need to think about where the light's going to come from, what fixtures you choose, and how you want to light your space. This is Paul from Contact Renovations. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'd be happy to help out. Have a great day.